All right, guys, so this is a move out. Customer hired this from out of state. They have some workers in here, and I guess they're moving the. There's actually the owners are selling this place, so they got to get it cleaned up. So I'm just going around to what I consider organic. Okay, since this thing catches up. There we go. Hit the organic stains from the get-go. You guys watch my channel, I'm just pre-spotting. You know, this is the stuff that, you know, it may be a stain, an organic stain. It's different from the water spills and stuff like that, which may come out, but might as well go ahead and hit it with the organic stain removal, which is this is actually a diluted peroxide here. So it's usually somebody spilled some kind of liquid and it wicks up. That actually looks like a pet stain. There was some pet problems throughout here, but they're, I guess, very, very old, and so we're gonna do just a deodorizer for them. I don't know why this thing was. Light keeps going off. So doing this is really gonna save you a big headache. You know, 50 cents, 25 cents worth of. So we got some red right here. Not sure what that is. And you can boost your pre-spray, but why would you want to waste all that solution or a spotter if you don't need it all over throughout the carpet? So I think the rest of this is fine. Yeah. Did I get these? Yeah, I did get these. All right, so there's our organic. Now I went ahead and boosted my pre-spray. We're using carpet details, and I boosted with Sagerside eucalyptus. Get a nice overall smell, plus help get rid of any old pet problems. This recent customer lived here. They didn't have any pets. They're construction people. They're just moving around from town to town. So I'm sure they're honest about that. So anything left over has been here for years. Yeah, stay tuned. All right, so this is my new Typhoon right here. This is the 3.0. The other one I have is the 2.0, which works great. This does have a little bit of upgrades on it though. All right, customer paid and left a nice tip. So this red stain, go ahead and treat for free. I notice there's some in here too, so I'm going to go ahead and spray that as well. I actually know this customer, not dealing with them, but they're moved out of state. So that's another reason why I'm looking a little extra on here. All right, I've been steaming this since I've been pulling out the hoses and stuff. It needs a little bit more time on that one. Not all red stains are removable, guys. So I never guarantee red stain removal when I do offer this service. But what I personally do, and this is up to you guys, of course, is if I can't get it out, I don't charge them for it. A lot of people may say, well, that's time wasted. Actually, it's really not any time wasted. A couple sprays, sit there and walk away. Because this thing, you don't have to babysit it. It won't burn the carpet. When it runs out of water, you're good. Other than the iron method. Now, if you're doing the iron method, you do have to babysit it. Ah, just like that disappeared. All right, all packed up, ready to go. So those red stains didn't budge. That one in that one room did go, but the other ones did not. So what I do is I don't do them all. I just do one in the general area. We know there's the same stains. If it doesn't remove, I'll stop. So what I'm saying, if it doesn't remove, then I won't charge for it. Well, it's not like I'm doing them all and then not charging for it, all right? So I'm gonna test one. If it doesn't budge, then the other ones are not gonna budge. So I stop, right? But if they do budge, and I just remove them all and charge for it. And that would be a lot. That would probably be at least $120 for what I did treat, well, I was going to treat. Yeah, so it was pretty good. It does have a smell, guys. And the smell is bong water. They got bong water. Not that, but I don't know what that is. They got bong water in this carpet. And bong water, if anybody's ever dealt with it, is not. You can't get the odor out of there. You just can't. All right, don't guarantee it. Let them know. Put this in here because the battery's low on this. Let them know that it ain't going nowhere. And do your best with your regular deodorizer, because that stuff it's awful, right? So, but yeah, everything else looking good, looking good. All right, off to our next one. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.